Thank you for taking the time to review our presentation on A1 Enterprise Hazard Report Software. Strategy for your organization is a resource. It is important to use it wisely. A1 Enterprise provides a hazard reporting management software which can include a variety of features to help reduce your cost of risk. It will help expedite risk reporting throughout your organization, reduce facility hazards, construction hazards, auto or transportation hazards, and overall occupational workplace hazards to keep your employees and contractors safe, as well as the environment. A1 Tracker offers hazard report forms. This allows end users exposed to the hazard to report the hazard in a timely manner so that the hazard notification is routed to the correct facilities or safety supervisor. This helps ensure that quick action is taken to resolve the hazard to prevent an accident or injury. While submitting the hazard report, users may also submit documents such as photos or statements that can help the safety supervisor take the appropriate action to resolve the hazard. The Hazard Report dashboard allows users to monitor the frequency and occurrence of hazard as well as the resolution and resolution time. If a hazard is reported and goes unattended, for example, for a period of 30 days, automatic notifications can remind Safety Administrator that a hazard is still outstanding and requires attention. If your organization manages hazards that expose the general public to risk, certain hazard reports may also be made available to the general public via your company website. Hazard report updates provide very basic information about hazards to read-only users, such as the description of the hazard, when it was observed, and what corrective action was taken. Having the capability to submit hazards online via the website or a mobile device can significantly reduce the risk of hazards or accidents throughout your company. Hazard notification templates allow users to receive notifications as hazards are submitted. These notifications can get routed to appropriate users depending on department or facility location, state, or region. Receiving notifications in a timely manner is important to maintaining the cost of risk to ensure hazards are minimized as well as their consequences. Hazard notifications can include hyperlinks, allowing end-user recipients to submit additional documentation or comments about a hazard during the resolution process. This is an important step to maintain accountability that hazards are cleaned up and the workplace remains safe. File attachments can be uploaded to hazards. This can include before and after pictures of a hazard to illustrate the hazard was in fact appropriately cleaned up or resolved. The hazard note history can document who participated in the hazard resolution process and when, and what they actually did to resolve the hazard. The costs of hazard far outweigh the cost of purchasing or maintaining a software application to report hazards. The costs of injuries, for example, or damages to equipment, buildings, or vehicles, or the cost of litigation. Any one of these scenarios, any one accident or injury can far outweigh the cost of a software package. The cost of product quality, for instance, if a product is released that is unsafe to consumers, or the cost of rising insurance costs, regulatory fines, or public credibility can be financially destructive to a company. Sometimes, bidding requirements for projects require a strong hazard reporting and risk management software system. Costs can also include operational delays, where projects are stopped or people are unable to work, or equipment is failed and under repair. Additional costs may include customer retention. A1 Tracker offers fast 24-hour deployment. We can provide you with full hosting, or you may host on-premise within your own data center. If we are hosting your application for you, daily backups and data storage is provided. We also provide full training for hazard report administrators and end users. For large organizations or governments, volume licensing is available, and we offer private labeling to ensure the application fits within your organizational branding requirements. Thank you for taking the time to review our presentation on A1 Tracker Hazard Report software. For a free demo, contact us at www.a1enterprise.com.